For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
The crypto refrain has seen an extremely surprising occasion, which has been over the top for financial backers and advertisers from the crypto range. The occasion is of none for the most part other than that of Terra, LUNA, presently Terra Classic, LUNC. The value dump of the crypto resource has been difficult to accept for the business. The fall, which had begun following the depeg of UST, further disturbed following mass liquidations and controls. Amazingly, advertisers from the business basically are as yet confounded over the fate of Terra Classic, LUNC. Furthermore, the as of late sent off Terra, LUNA lock-in as we unravel the sort of conceivable Lunc cost expectation for 2022 and then some. Luna cost had advanced toward the ongoing year with a sticker price of $91.47. The cost of the computerized resource took a slide to $62.87 over the course of the week, on the 8th of January. While the altcoin endeavored a 38.16% bounce back over the course of the following week, Luna's cost confronted its most memorable least level of the year, as the cost took a plunge to $43.28. Which was on the 31st of January in an unpretentious manner. After a short time of combination in the midst of heavy tortures in the business, incredibly, the cost had been heightening since the 22nd of February and went up an astounding 118.23% toward the quarter's end. The subsequent quarter has been deplorable for the altcoin. While the expansive choppiness impacted the cost of Luna to an eminent degree in an unobtrusive manner, UST losing its limit at $1, trailed by an undulating impact and expansion in sell-offs, has hauled the altcoin to shake bottoms. The advanced resource hit its ATL of $0.00001675 on the 13th of May 2022. Lunc price prediction for Q3. The altcoin could chug up to more noteworthy levels assuming it looks for stimulus from volumes. In the event that the advanced resource figures out how to basically make its presence felt in the business, the cost of Lunc could fundamentally take off to its quarterly essentially high of $0.00001416. On the other side, assuming it keeps on succumbing to siphon and really dump conspires, the cost could tumble down to $0.00008917. All things considered, compelled by the straight cost projection, the typical cost could land at $0.000115. Land pretty classic price prediction for Q4. The good faith of the fourth and the last quarter of 2022 could turn productive for Lunc cost. With a raising count of in a real sense purchase orders, the cost of the computerized resource could for the most part sling to its greatest objective of $0.00001878. Conversely, on the off chance that the more extensive market succumbs to negative grips, the cost could sort of take a plunge to $0.00001220. All things considered, a balance in trading tensions could settle the cost at $0.000154. Lunc price forecast for 2023. On the off chance that Terra Classic observes a significant move by huge cash holders or whales, Lunc could dispense with a zero from its sticker price. Progressively, the computerized token could truly hit its likely high of $0.000369 toward the finish of 2023. Then again, on the off chance that the venture succumbs to the bears, Lunc's cost could land at least $0.00011620. Obliged by the straight pace of cost drive, the typical cost could find its base at $0.00028009. Land Classic forecast for 2024. Land Classic's Lunc could rise to a limit of $0.000064, which is very critical. Assuming it figures out how to clutch its conspicuousness against that of Terra, LUNA. Nonetheless, if the crypto business goes through significant changes with administrative clampdowns by states across the globe, Lunc's cost could sink down to the lows of $0.000301, which is genuinely critical. All things considered, the customary cost could land at $0.0004015. Lunc price prediction for 2025. The coin market industry will spectate various changes toward 2025 in an unpretentious manner's end. If Terra truly classic sees impulse from the group or runs over a by and large recovery plan, the cost of Lunc could chug up to a by and large limit of $0.00110 toward the finish of 2025, or so they thought. Interestingly, on the off chance that the computerized resource finds an absence of improvement and impulse, the cost could land at $0.000508. All things considered, in every practical sense, normal cost could land at $0.0008153, which is very huge. What is Terra Classic, LUNC? Now Terra Classic, is a blockchain convention sent off in 2018 by Daniel Shin and Du Quan. The computerized resource was made with a dream to change the cutting-edge economy's adaptability. According to the white paper, Terra Classic utilizes a cost adjustment calculation that continually balances the stock of a coin, with an intent to keep the costs stable. The organization offers lower expenses, high adaptability, soundness, and solid monetary resources. The convention's local resources Lunc, which tends to a large group of issues connected with speed, versatility and openness. Basic analysis. Land means to separate itself, with the assistance of its fiat fixed stable coins, as it clubs the advantages of cryptographic forms of money with the everyday value solidness of government-issued types of money in a significant manner. The convention holds various organizations with installment stages, which legitimize its assets. On the other hand, Terra is likewise upheld by Terra Alliance. In February of 2019, the organization revealed its online business stages from 10 unique nations, with a client base of 45 M. Furthermore, a gross items worth of $25 billion were individuals from the coalition. Land Classic price prediction. The consistent overhauls and organizations will give an enormous lift to the cost of Terra Classic, LUNC. Formed Terra Classic cost expectation, which is genuinely critical. With bullish market opinions, Luna's cost might skyrocket to $0.000185 before the year's over 2022, which is very huge. On the disadvantage, market change and expanded contest may antagonistically influence Terra's, LUNA, cost, because of which the advanced resource could fall to $0.00012119. Authentic market